Good morning, dear student, class 4th. Subject computer. Topic is working with MS Windows 7. Chapter 2nd. Chapter 1st I have already completed in your syllabus. This is your chapter 2nd, working with MS Windows 7. In this chapter today we will discuss about library. What is called library? Did you remember, if you open any computer or your laptop, any desktop, you have open first screen, you will get desktop. In this things you have find out more icon is there, a small icon. You have seen some icons are there. Then if you will open here one more also icon, my computer is there. If you will open that icon, then you will find out like this one picture on your desktop. There is four things are here. Library, I wrote here short form because I cannot write fully here. Library, it has four types of things. First, document. Second, music. Third, picture. And fourth, video. So what is the use of these things in computer? It is not for only take it some correction or edition, but it is for you how to you can find out your document, your music. If you want to download or you want to save your any music or any video, then you can use your option music and video. If you type some letters like your application letter or any document, like you have given more exam, you have given last year exam on Google form, there was one documents on your picture on your mobile. You have remember, you wrote your name, class and section, you give one by one your answer. It's for only save your document. If you have any document like your study material, question answers, exercise or your chapter, you cannot save. So your chapter, if you have taken photo, you will save your photo in this picture option, and your document, those who have you scan by your mobile or printer, you can save in your document. So in this chapter today we will discuss about only library, because it has not more big point. This is very simple point. Library, or you can search, you can do the practical and home also. If you will open in your computer, you will see left side there is one library pen written there. You will click there by right option, then you will get four things: document, music, picture and video. And this folder will be open your desktop. You can open it. In the document you have save your documents. You can, in music you can save your any music as a song, or picture you can save your photo, or video you can save your video. And one more thing, it has not only four things in your computer, because chapter name is working with MS Windows 7. In this things we have discussed about only library, but it has more things like three navigation button are here. One for minimize, maximize, and one for close. If you want to close the whole program, then you will click on this cross. If you want to make small or bigger, then you will click on maximize. And this is your minimize. It will be resume. It will be moved by your desktop. It will be come on your bottom on the toolbar. Next things, there are two button also, navigation button, one for forward and one for backward. And those who want to search, suppose that you want to search music, your document, your photo, your video name, you can type here and you will search, then it will be open your desktop. I cannot make the whole picture. You can see in the book or on your computer. You can see, if you will write here your any address like a music name or photo name or video name or document, and you will click, then you can find out on your desktop. Or these things in this chapter, they want to say only library has only 4 parts: one, document, music, picture and video. Or they are only unique folder, we can say they are unique folder for computer. It has not 5 things, only 4 things, or we cannot save any other extra thing in these folders. These are as a application for MS Windows 7, or I have already explained in your chapter. I have taken previous class, you are absent there, so you can see in your chapter also there is more pictures, one for this thing, second for another, how to open. You can click on the desktop button, and there was one start button in the corner, and left side on the bottom side one corner there is written start button. You will click on start button, then your desktop will be open with the whole application. There is one program also, there is written all program. You will search on all program, then more things will be open. If you want to open MS Windows 7, then second you will go in accessories. You will click on accessories. There will become more types of MS Word, MS Windows, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint, more things there. You want to open MS Windows 7 is an operating system. It will be already working on your desktop. If it will be not there, then you cannot work on the computer. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my personal number. Thank you, have a good day.